Hi, Year 2, and welcome to this week's HASS lesson on drought. This week, we are going to combine our HASS lesson with English to learn about drought and describe it using adjectives. The learning outcomes are by the end of the learning experiences, you should be able to use HASS and English skills to explain what drought is, explain how drought affects people, and what are some of the ways to counter drought. Use your understanding of adjectives to attempt a fun quiz. There are three tasks for you to work through and a quiz at the end. Click on the tabs on the top of each page to find the different tasks and the quiz. Remember to scroll all the way down to find more information on the page. You will begin with task 1, which is a read aloud story about the book written by Jackie French, and it's called Drought. Before you start listening to the video, there are things that you need to know prior to the story. First, what is drought? Secondly, how do people get affected? And thirdly, why does drought occur? Task 2 is a fun game where you identify adjectives. So, for this task, you will be able to click on a link that will take you directly to the page where you are going to attempt the fun game. Remember to go all the way down to the page as there is more information at the end of the page. Now, task 3 has two parts. Part A is a video which explains to you what drought is. And after watching the video, there is some thinking questions for you, and you can talk to some family member about what your understanding of drought is. Part B has an image of a drought cycle, so you will be able to better understand why drought occurs and what is the effect. The activity for this lesson appears right at the end of the page, so make sure you scroll down. The final lesson, lesson 4, is a quiz on drought. This is for you to measure your understanding around the topic, and this quiz can be attempted 3 times. So keep on going until you get all the questions correct. And good luck with the quiz, and put on your thinking caps, and all the best. We will learn more about the quiz and more about this topic when we have our face to face class.